Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to export this object into um, Substance Painter, then export that out, and then put it into Coppercube. And we're going to do some texturing in Substance Painter. So what we're going to do is I just created this random object, and we're going to use export this as a OBJ, and we're going to go ahead and go to the desktop here. We're going to call it 123, and we're going to export it. Now what you want to do is you want to open up Substance Painter. You want to start new. So what we're going to do is we're going to import this. We're going to go ahead and find the object, and I'm just going to drag and drop it. So we got an object file here, and I drag it and I drop it, and that's our image. So I'm going to use Alt and just try to position this in a way that we can see it. And I'm just going to start adding some textures in here. So I'm going to try to use this and maybe some of this, some of this. And I'm just doodling here, and it doesn't have to be anything perfect for this demonstration. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go export texture, and I want to go and make sure it's going to be on the desktop so I can find it. And I want to select that. I want to export it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up Coppercube. I'm going to go to import, and we're just going to do it since we're doing an object, we're going to do static mesh, and it should be on the desktop here. 1, 2, 3. Make sure this is the right one. Let's just go down and make sure it's the right one. Object file, where are you? Object file. So we're going to import that, and here's our image. And we got our image here. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to add, go to desktop, and we're going to add the image here, and it pops up right up here. So what we're going to do is go to materials, and we're just going to double click that, and there we go. And that's how you import images or textures into Coppercube using Substance Painter.